Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2021 Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to be showing you the locations of the ISOFIX mounts for child seats on the rear seat. Now there's actually enough positions on the rear seat for 3 child seats, however only 2 can use the ISOFIX mounts and the third one would have to use the safety belt. So just opening up the door fully, we're just looking for this symbol here, which is actually our ISOFIX mount symbol, and it's pointing down to this bar here. So this is our bottom tether positions here and here for our ISOFIX mounts. Now that is repeated on both sides of the car. However, with the middle seat, like I say, we're going to have to use the safety belt system like my child seat does, and that would sit in the middle. But that said, we actually have 3 top tether positions, and I'll show you them now. When you have a child seat in, it is always best to actually raise the headrests, and you can do that just by lifting it up like that and like that. And then we're looking to bring the top tether over like that and then actually hooking it onto this point here. Normally it's pretty well hidden, but it does have that logo there, and then there is a small slit in the fabric there just for the actual bar. So you do have the 3 top tether positions, but you've only got the 2 positions for bottom tethers or bottom ISOFIX mounts. So there we go, hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.